Hello students, it is your economics class. Today I will teach you economics. It is your first book, Statistics for Economics. In this book, this is your topic of statistics. In my previous video, I have already told you statistics in a plural sense. Now I will teach you statistics in singular sense. Students, statistics is defined in both sense, in singular sense as well as plural sense. But plural sense you have already understand in my previous video. In this video I will explain singular sense, statistics in singular sense. Now according to Croxton and Cowden, it is the collection of presentation of analysis of interpretation of numerical data. Once again, it is the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Now student, you have to understand what is the collection. Collection means accumulating information from different sources for different purpose. Presentation, when all the collected information written in a sequence and presented different ways by which a person can easily understand it is known as presentation. Analysis, when we take out some sense, some meaningful objectives from the data, that is known as analysis. Interpretation, it means when data is transferred from one person to another, when we use the result of data in any other work, that is known as interpretation. Now stage of statistical study and related statistical tools. There are 5 stages. The first stage, collection of data, and tools are census or sample technique. It will be teach you in separate chapter. Second stage, organization of data, array of data and tally bars. When data is collected and it is presented in tally bars, terms and frequency, that is known as array. Third, representation of data, when table or graphs and diagrams are made, that is known as presentation of data. Analysis of data, the fourth one is analysis of data. In this we find out percentage, average, correlation, regression coefficient, etc. In fifth part, interpretation of data, magnitude of percentage, average, degree of relationship between different economic variables, these are studied in interpretation of data. Nature of statistics, according to Professor Tippett, statistics is both science as well as art. In my next video I will discuss how statistics is included in the category of science, how statistics is included in category of art. Thank you.